It's been, oh wow, I can't even see it. It's been a day. It's been a day since we talked, but we're still on a mission to be productive. Oh God. Woo. I don't know why I was so tired walking up the stairs, but it was. I just got home from work. I actually had to take my daughter to dance today, so just got home and I'm going to, what I really wanted to do was finish packing, but I can't find a couple of things and I think they're in my car, so I'm gonna go get them. I'm gonna get comfortable first, go get them. I literally just have like an hour before I have to go back and get her from dance, but honestly that's a decent amount of time for me to do what I need to do. I wanted to complete packing and then go ahead and like get ready for tomorrow. Fix something to eat, which I think tonight is going to be grilled cheese or a tuna melt / tuna melt. So yeah, I'm going to do that, but I really need to keep preparing for going away. I probably should also write like a little list. I feel better prepared when I like write a full list out of like what I want to do and what I need to do. Like for example, I also have to like take my car to drive to the airport, leave my car there, park, all those things. I also have to remember to like get reimbursed for that, for example. I also I forgot to do something at work today. Wonderful. So I need to see if I can figure that out tonight. If not, I'll do it tomorrow, and hopefully tomorrow it won't be too bad. Hopefully it won't be too bad. It won't be too late. It'll be fine. But I'll figure it out. If it is not fine, I'll figure it out. Oh God, my eyes itching. But yesterday I did things, but I talked on the phone most of the day. Some new developments in that area of my life, and we'll see how it goes. We're not gonna spill the beans. Also because I feel like I want to be super private about it. Like the last time I had a relationship and I had it on my YouTube channel and then the relationship didn't last, and I was just like, dang, well, I have these videos of this person. So, but we'll see how it goes. So literally yesterday I was like on the phone. I was doing things though. I did my laundry. I did fold laundry. Now I need to like put the laundry away, stuff like that. So first things first, let me change my clothes. Let me get comfortable. And then I'm going to go find these pants. There's specific work pants. I'm pretty sure they're in my car because it's the only place they could be. I don't know where else they could be because I've washed all my clothes. There's that. And they're not hanging up. So pretty sure they're in my car, in my trunk, in a bag that from me changing my clothes at some point. And yeah, and then I think I need to wash them probably. If they're in my trunk, I need to wash them. So let me get up and get moving. Let's go. badly want to do better. And every day it's a struggle. Every day is a struggle. So here we are again. Here we are again, talking about how we're going to be productive and how we're going to do things. It's already 8 o'clock. First of all, I have to figure out why my watch is on Do Not Disturb, and I have to figure out how to turn it off. I think I just have to swipe down. Yep, there it is. I don't know how I did that. Anyway, but so I'm going to go throw something in the air fryer. It is some little, I think they're like pizza. Yeah, pizza empanadas. I just filmed a video. I'm going to edit that, and I'm going to, but I also I want to put a video up. I want to finish editing the other video. Why? I'm struggling. So there's so many things I want to do in so little time, because I'm also tired. And this is why, the main thing with, I need to edit. This is a terrible angle. I need to edit every single day, a little bit every single day, because if not, I'll never get 2 videos up in the week and not feel stressed, period. So I went to Trader Joe's this week. I'm going to do it this way because this is a hot mess. I went to Trader Joe's. Of course, my battery is dying, because why would we pay attention to the battery? And I saw these Panzeretti pizza bites. Yeah, and it looks like a little pizza empanada. Look at it. So I'm going to put these in the air fryer, just a couple of these. And then I also have some orange chicken from Trader Joe's, and then some teriyaki chicken from Trader Joe's. So I'm going to eat one of those, or both. Who knows? Probably just one. Why would I eat both? That's ridiculous. I'm going to heat that up. I also think I need to make some rice, though, to go with it, because I don't have any rice. Yeah, I need to make some rice. So let me put this in the air fryer, get my charger, decide what I'm going to do about the dishes. Yeah, this is what happens when you're outside. You're outside, you're lollygagging. Not really loud. I mean, you're dating. That's what you're doing. You're outside, you're dating, and you're neglecting just regular things that you want to do. And then when you have a time to do it, you can't. You just don't have enough time. I also want to get in the bed because I'm tired. So it's just so many things. Let me just put this in the air fryer, and then we'll go from there. Eight to 10 minutes and $3.75. Perfect. Oh shoot, I cut off the serving size. Serving size is 3 pieces. So I'm just gonna do 3. Because like I said, I'm also gonna make one of those other meals. So we're just gonna see how this, my camera died, of course, because I said it was gonna die. So now I just need to prioritize what I'm gonna do. So basically my room, as you can see, isn't the best. It's kind of a shambles, and it's definitely frustrating. So I need to clean that up. And then, like I said, I want to finish editing a video, but it's not even barely started. So that's literally me starting a video, and it's already 8 o'clock. So I think I'm just going to have to skip the video situation. And tomorrow, maybe edit a video tomorrow. I really like this lipstick combination. And I will then get the video up later on, next week, because I've only posted 1 video this week. I've been, like I said, trying to get back to posting 2 videos a week, but I also haven't been editing when I come home, and that's what I need to do. I need to come home and edit a little bit before I get started on my evening activities, and I just haven't been doing that, or do my evening things and then edit for 30 minutes basically. But I haven't been doing that. So now I don't have a video, and that's frustrating also because it's the end of the month. It's a new month, and I haven't done my monthly reset. I'm overwhelmed. I'm literally overwhelmed, but I'm overwhelmed because of me. Like, it's literally my fault. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make a list really quickly of what I need to do, what I need to like make sure is set. And then I'm going to go ahead and clean my room. And then actually I'm going to go put some rice on. I'm overwhelmed, and it's my fault. It's 100% my fault because I just haven't been fully doing the things that I need to be doing because I've been outside and I've been dating, and that's been taking priority, and that like it can't be like that. Like I have to do things. So day and a half, 2 days, 2.5 days, really just 2 days. It's not even a half. I don't even have a half a day because it's literally tonight. I have to get prepared to go out of town. I go out of town on Monday, and today is Friday, so I have to do that. So I wrote a list. It's really not that bad. I need to go make my rice. I need to put away the clothes that are literally on the floor. I need to check my suitcase. I need to declutter my room. I need to do my monthly reset, which is like literally, oh, I need to really, this should say monthly reflection first. Do my monthly reflection, do my monthly reset, and then do my monthly planning. Those are like the biggest and like the bulkiest of the things. But first, space-wise, I gotta get this together. I feel like screaming, but that's not gonna help me. So let me go ahead and make this rice really quickly, and then I'll be back to do this room, because honestly, once my room gets better, I will feel better. But also I'm like thinking about the fact that I'm tired and I want to rest and I want to watch a movie and I want to relax and I want to chill, and I'm just like, boo, you can't do that if you're not doing what you're supposed to be doing, period, point blank poo. So yeah, let me just go do this thing that I need to do. And then I can get back to doing the room. Got my hair done yesterday. Look at it. It's like so fresh. I love me a good fresh retwist. And then my hair looks so long. And then did I say that I like this lippy? Because I do. That I put in the air fryer. It's like a little pocket and it's like pizza on the inside. Ooh. There's a lot of dough. Let's see. That's hot. It's okay. It's like a little appetizer thingy. It's hot. Let me finish. But our rice is on. I literally gotta go get it out of the pan. We'll move it off the pan because I think it's done boiling. And I'm putting away clothes now, so, and decluttering my room kind of at the same time. So making progress, feeling better. Let's keep going. it's about, what time did I say? It was like 7:44 when I started like getting ready. So it's 8:50 now. So it's been about an hour. Let me get my little checklist. Ugh. Checked 2 things off my checklist. But I honestly can, well, actually 3 things. My room is decluttered. I literally just finished decluttering it. So everything is like in its place. I just have like another load of laundry that just came out, like the dryer that I need to put away. But like up there is decluttered. I don't mind the bag of chips, okay? There's a reason they're there. But like my desk over here is decluttered, my side table is decluttered, my bed is decluttered, so room decluttered, so pretty good. That's like half the list. So one more thing I'll do, and then I'll be like over the halfway hump, which is gonna be check my suitcase. I am gonna check it tonight, and then like look at my travel checklist, and like just make sure I have everything that I need. Because I do like have like a general checklist, because I pretty much stay within the realm of like regular, I don't want to say regular life, but like I was about to say regular life, but just staying within the same realm of like every time I travel, I usually take the same things, like same items. You know, for me, it comes along with being a minimalist because it helps me with my decision fatigue, and not having to make those decisions. So I just follow the checklist pretty much. So I'm literally going to open up my suitcase, and then I'm going to open up my checklist, and then I'm going to go through and like make sure I have all the things. But right now I'm about to eat. I literally have this bowl here looking like some Chinese food from the restaurant, but definitely about to be healthier. Well, maybe not healthier, because I don't have no broccoli, nothing. I would at least have some broccoli at the Chinese restaurant. But anyway, it's literally the orange chicken from Trader Joe's and some rice that I made. So about to smash this and then go on to do one more thing on my checklist, at least one more thing. I might even get to my monthly reflection tonight, which would be chef's kiss. It'd be perfect, because then I'll just have like my reset and my planning left to do, which I can do like a little bit of that tonight, but majority of it I will have to do tomorrow. So but yeah, I'm really about to sit and eat. I've been watching Bob's Burgers lately. I was like, I really miss Bob's Burgers, and then I looked it up and it's like on Disney Plus, and I'm just like, why not? So I've been watching Bob's Burgers like one episode at a time. Love this show. And then also my friend is on streaming live. He's like playing games, so I'm like also listening to him like in between, because also with Bob's Burgers there's commercials, so I'm like going back and forth. But anyway, I'm about to eat and then on to the next thing before I go to bed.